You ever find yourself in a situation where you're just going through tons of JB Weld? Like maybe you've got the little syringes and you're going through those like crazy. Even if you've got the twin tubes, you're just going through those way too quickly.
I know that I've run out before, especially on those bigger jobs.
That's why I'm a big fan of JB Weld's Pro sizes. Their most popular products come in significantly bigger tubes and bottles. We're talking 5 times more juice than the original and quick weld tubes, and a whopping 9 times more than the clear weld syringe. That's more bang for your buck. Plus, just like the regular sizes, Pro sizes are resealable. So even if you don't use it all at once, it will be there next time you need it. No more running to the store in the middle of a project. Even if you're not in the middle of a project right now, having a Pro size on hand means you'll be prepared for whatever unexpected fix comes your way. Trust me, the future you will thank you. Never run out of JB Weld again with JB Weld Pro size.
This tip is brought to you by JB Weld, the world's strongest bond.